Hey guys, we received this ZonLi Japanese floor mattress, futon mattress for test and try. Is a full size with a thickened roll as a tatami mat. This is a 100% cotton washable cover and a portable and foldable floor bed mattress for any use like a sleeping, dormitory, any adult kids or whatsoever. So, my first impression comes in a really nice compact compressed packing. So let me just take this out. So this will take some time to regain its shape. So I will just take this all this poly back. So try to make it little fast forward. Just take this out, everything, cut it. So this also this carry bag that comes with it. So it's really handy. It's a different carry bag in than the bag it comes for the packing. So you can see a really 100% cotton fabric on the top. And then let's give it some time for the mattress to regain its shape. So once this regain its shape, you can see here, it's a nice design on the top with a cotton fabric. This is a removable cover, so you can remove this and wash it. So from the back also, you can see a very nice comfortable fabric for the storage and all the things. So you can use this mattress for any other use, like if the kids wants to play or you want to do a meditation or camping or any sleepover of your visitors. So there's a zipper here that you can take out this cover case and then you can just take this out and put it in a wash. Once dried, you can put it back. So it's a nice thing that you can also wash this cover and of course this is a 100% cotton shell with the fiber inside. So it's a high density memory foam, as you can see, and the stitching and everything is cool. This is a band that we'll use for the storage later on. So I will show that too. But first, like just focus on the mattress. So I like the quality of the mattress and the memory foam and the design, of course. So you can just push it, press it, and just regain its shape. So like while you are sleeping on it, you can see that it can easily get two people or two kids on it. Folding is also very easy. Just fold in, like roll it, and then buckle this with those two bands and just pack in the supplied bag. So this will just come fit, zip it, and then it's easy to carry. So this bag and the mattress itself is really very lightweight. I can easily hold it and take it anywhere. This will take up its size. So yeah, it's a full size, but it's a very lightweight mattress and easy to handle like this way. A very nice mattress.